Okay, I am so excited right now because I was able to snag one of the LTK Festival prep kits. I mean, this thing is massive. Not only do you get one Supergoop sunscreen, you get two. This one is 50 SPF 2. Clear little silicone base. Okay, I think I'm a little bit more excited for this one. This one's a stick. This is the glow screen. Gets a little shimmer. I love this. I've never tried a freckle pen before. This is the Body Mark Freckle Pen by Bic. Ooh, okay. Oh, I blended it out. A little sun-kissed moment. Okay, I'm gonna go for like a super like 90s hairstyle. That is so cute. Okay, I changed my shirt. Next, let's try out the body chain and necklace that comes with this kit. So cute. I think it's reversible. You can kind of wear it either way, the gold side or this. I really like that. I'm gonna attempt to put on this body chain now. Cute, okay, I love it. All right, I'm gonna take these out for a sec because I wanna try on the bucket hat with all of this. It comes with little stickers too. I'm gonna do the pink and start coloring in some of the stars. And then you just peel it off. So I'll braid this and then put some of the butterflies in the braid. Now that the party is over, let's melt the day away with the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Okay, that literally took everything off. Let's try these now. Perfect.